Hey, what's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're taking a closer look at the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Israfil. Before we do that, just do us a quick favor, please hit that subscribe button and we'll get right into the video. So we know that Yeezy fans have been waiting patiently for the next 350 V2 drop. The last one was all the way back in July when Adidas dropped the Zion colorway, and finally on August 22nd, they're following it up with the Israfil colorway. So let's just go over the basic details. The official release date is August 22nd, 2020. The retail price is $220, and these will be available in kids and infant sizes. For now, it appears that the Israfil Yeezys are exclusive to Adidas, and they will drop only on adidas.com, where you can sign up through the Adidas app, and they'll also release on Yeezy Supply. 350 V2s in general don't really need any introduction, but for those who are uninformed, we'll just go over the basics. The Yeezy Boost 350 V2 is without question the most popular sneaker in the Adidas Yeezy archive. It's been the most common. They're releasing colorway after colorway, and every time they drop, they appear to sell out, so it does not look like Adidas is stopping anytime soon. Despite its popularity, one of the criticisms against the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 is that the colorways are way too similar. Kanye likes lots of neutral, moody tones. He doesn't go too far off from like beige and gray and things like that, and beige and gray just happen to be the two primary colors featured on this colorway. So as you can obviously see, the elastic prime knit upper is indeed a mix of that gray as well as that tan beige color. The laces also match that beige. The transparent mesh that runs from the toe to the heel is a little bit darker, has a slightly more yellow tint to it, although that's probably just the material itself. And if you look at the midsole, the sidewall is a gray translucent, and on the outsole, it's that same tan that kind of has a gum-like effect. Encased inside the midsole is a full-length Boost cushion, and if you've never tried Boost, it's never too late. It is one of the most comfortable shoes on the market, and without question, the 350 V2 is among the most comfortable lifestyle shoes that you can buy right now. Another quick detail to note is that the Israfil does not feature a heel tab. Sometimes with Adidas Yeezys, it will feature the heel tab or it won't. The most recent Zion did not, but some of the previous ones like the Sulfur and the Cinders, they all feature that heel tab. There really is no formula as to which ones get the heel tab and don't. That's probably an internal decision, or maybe they just decided at the last minute, but nobody really knows. Interestingly enough, the pair we have feature a lace lock type of cylinder that's stuck in the laces. We're not quite sure if this is just a regular add-on or if this was meant to be a lace lock, but this is something that is not too common with Yeezy 350s. We believe this is actually the first one that had this little cylinder lace lock kind of thing, but it appears that you can take it off with no issue if you don't want to wear them. Finally, with the shoebox, you have your standard brown and black Yeezy 350 V2 shoebox. Nothing too different here. It's pretty much your standard Yeezy 350 in a brand new colorway. So that just wraps up our quick look at the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Israfil. These officially released August 22nd on Adidas and Yeezy Supply. $220 for the adult pair, $160 for the kids pair, and $140 for the infant pair. So again, let us know in the comments if these are an easy pickup for you or an easy pass. Please hit that subscribe button, and we will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.